Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will explore how to harness data-driven insights using Freshworks tools like Freshdesk and Freshchat to enhance customer service performance. Whether you are a beginner or looking to optimize your current workflow, this video is packed with practical tips you can apply right away. So, first of all, let's start with the basics. Data-driven insights mean using real-time customer data like ticket volume, resolution and time, and feedback scores to make smarter decisions. This helps you definitely bottlenecks, spot trends, and personalize customer experience. Freshworks collects and visualizes this data so you can take action faster. Whether that's resigning tickets, training agents, and or updating help articles. Let's dive into Freshdesk. Go to the dashboard and click on Go to Account. From the left side bar, click Analytics. Here you will see pre-built reports like agent performance, help desk metrics, and customer satisfaction. Interactive filters to segment by time, team, or priority. Key metrics average first first response time, ticket resolution time, and SLA compliance. Use these filters to pinpoint which issues are recurring and where agents may need support. For example, if billing queries are taking too long, you might assign a dedicated uh, agent or update your help center content. You can also create custom reports. Click New Reports from the left sidebar. Then choose your metrics like ticket tags, response delays, or channel distribution. This is especially helpful for managers who need a real-time snapshot of support trends. Visualizations like charts and heat maps help you spot inefficiencies instantly. And remember, you can schedule these reports to be emailed weekly or monthly to key sketch sketch holder stakeholder. You can schedule these reports to be emailed weekly or monthly to key stakeholders. After a ticket is resolved, Freshdesk can automatically ask customers to rate their experience. Monitor this data in the satisfaction report. Track which agents uh, or issue types get the most native feedback and use that to guide coaching seasons, or workflow adjustments. Combine cost, CSAT, combine CSAT scores with ticket resolution time to understand efficiency versus experience. Now let's talk about Fresh Chat for real time support. The analytics tabs offer insights like total conversions, first response time, resolution rate, customer satisfaction. You will also find data on bot performance, see how well your bots handle FAQs and when humans need to step in. Use this to optimize bot. Use this to optimize bot flows, reduce agent workload, and improve customer experiences. Here are a few best practices. Review analytics weekly to stay proactive. Create KPIs for agents based on data, not guesswork. Use insights to train agents, revise macros, or create better help center articles. Track your support improvements over time. The goal isn't just to collect data, but to take action from it. So, from your dashboard, you can you can manage your dashboard. You can create ticket, email, contact, companies. Just click ticket, enter contact address, then subject, type like questions, phone source, status, pending or resolved, priority, medium, group, or write a short description here, then click create. Again, go to new, then click email, enter your email, and enter your recipient email, subject, and here your email body, priority, select priority like medium, closed status, resolved or closed. Then you can add tags, one to one, please type 1 or 2 characters here. Then click send. That's it for today's Freshworks tutorial on data-driven insights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our Freshdesk uh, and Fresh Chat guides. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.